much your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with a new look. For today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Ishow hair. First of all, let me just say that I'm loving their new packaging. But anyways, I'll be reviewing a wig from them today. This is not my first time working with them, so I'm pretty familiar with their quality. Today the wig that I'll be reviewing is their Brazilian 360 body wave. It's 26 inch, 180% density. Like I said, this is their packaging, real cute. Inside the box you will find the wig in a plastic bag. You will also find this head net thingy. You will also find this little scrunchie and some lashes, which is so ugly. And that's pretty much all that you will find in the box. Let me go ahead and open up this bag so we can check out this wig and see what she looks like. Alright, so your wig will be nicely in a net. Let me take her out. So like I said, this is a 360 lace wig. So it's laced all around the wig. The wig comes slightly plucked. It also comes with baby hairs. This is what the inside looks like. The wig comes with 3 combs, is one right here, and also one at the bottom with adjustable straps. This is what the wig looks like. Look at this pattern, so cute. And it's also a nice and full. Like I said, density is 180%, so it's like the perfect density for any wig. It's nice and full, pretty, and really soft. It kind of smells like coconut. That's weird. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look. I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off really quick so we could try her on. So this is what the wig looks like on right now. The hair is really full. Like this wig is full as heck, but it's really soft, really pretty. As you guys can see, frontal looks transparent, so I really know it's gonna look amazing once I'm done with it. I would definitely recommend you guys pluck it. I would definitely recommend you guys pluck it some more because you want it to look really realistic. Other than that, the wig is looking good. I'm pretty much just gonna put some curls to it because this is a 360 wig. You could do a half up, half down. You could curl it. You could straighten it. Yes, you could straighten this wig. You could pretty much do whatever you want. You could part it in the middle, on the side, whatever you want to do. I'm not really sure what I'm feeling today. I'm probably gonna try something different. I really want to do like a half up, half down. If I don't do that, then I'm just gonna do a flat part. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like on. I'm about to go ahead and finish up this look. I will see you guys once I'm done. so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm actually shocked that I made it look cute, because first I was like, there's no way I could do this half up half down situation without gluing my wig down. It was kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. It was really hard. The lace right here kept lifting, but I just slapped a whole bunch of gel on it, and it's not the best. Like, if you look up close, it's like, don't get too close, but I think it's not bad for, like, you know, my wig not being installed or whatever. So if I could achieve this look, so could you. Or you could do a side part, a middle part. You could basically do whatever you want with a 360 wig. So that's why I love them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It came out really cute. I curled it a little bit. I didn't want to do like some tight curls. I just wanted some cute loose body wave curls, and it came out really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Ishow hair. I'll have their link down below, and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.